Welcome back to Unstoppable Trading. This video, I'm going to talk about why Tesla is going to go higher, and I'm going to provide you a couple of short opportunity in this very bull bias market. Again, we're going to see why Tesla is going to go head to 1,000, and I'm going to look at Lululemon and Home Depot. In this type of markets, fundamental does not mean anything. Okay, I mean, just look at this market. We rallied all the way from 2,200 to 33,000 points. That's pretty impressive. Another V-shaped recovery. We have Federal Reserve pumping $500 billion on June 1st and another $500 billion on June 8th, next Monday. So two $500 billion pumping. Now let's talk about Tesla and what I see in Tesla. So remember, we don't care about fundamental, we don't care about how many cars they sell. We invest Tesla because of Elon Musk. And then people may think, oh, SpaceX was a successful launch, Tesla doesn't go higher. You might think, how is SpaceX related to Tesla? They're not relatable. But guess what? Retailers are going to invest because of Elon Musk. Okay, so previous high 968. We broke the 4 hours channel. So if you pay attention to Tesla past couple 3 weeks, 4 weeks, we're stuck inside the stupid channel, right? So now we are finally broken higher on Friday. So the next resistance we're looking at 870. I think Monday we're going to have a gap up. Since the market sentiment is still bullish, if there's no gap up, I'm going to get a call, which I already have 3 calls on Tesla for June 19th, 1,000 call. I think there's a very high chance that Tesla is going to go visit the previous high around 930 and potentially break the 968. If we break that, 1,000 is the next psychological level. Here's the thing that I'll be watching. This is 4 hours. If you look at our MACD, we have finally forming a very greenish candle on the past 4 hours, and then we are trending up. There's no reason to short this right now. So many people try to attempt to short this, got burned in the past 2 weeks. So we're going to see a major gap up on Tesla, targeting a 70. If we pass that, definitely looking at the previous all-time high. One thing I know from Tesla is morning gap up, people tend to sell it off and then rebound again, or just go below the view up and just chop throughout the rest of the day. So if you don't have a Tesla call, watch for the Monday pop. If it pops, don't try to chase it. If it breaks it, I will say a very high chance to go to 1,000. So again, broke away from the box on the range box. Now let's take a look at Lulu. This is again 4 hours, make it one year, 1 day. Does it make sense to you about this stuff? No, it doesn't. So don't care about the fundamental. Okay, it's all about euphoria, people buying in, market maker trying to make it higher. So, but now we have a short opportunity. Earnings coming up on 6/11. So there should be a significant dip 2 days before earning, and could be earnings always 50-50. So I'm trying to get some puts a month out or 2 months out. I think there's a very, very high chance that Lululemon is going to go back to the previous 250. And why I said that, we need to look at our overall market, right? So in this bullish market, Lululemon's literally have a V-shaped recovery just like what we did on the S&P 500. So I think S&P is going to go back to 3,100 in the short term and have a pullback. When the general market pulls back, those stocks that went on a V-shaped recovery are going to get hit very hard. Okay, so this is a great short-term, long-term short opportunity. I'm looking at July 2nd okay, and 250 put. July 2nd, 250 put is around $500. It's not that much. If you want to go lower, you can 230. So this is, I like this one. This one is golden, man. This one is very nice. I like this one. But long-term put is the safest for this kind. And the next one, I want to talk about Home Depot. Does it make sense that it goes up, blah blah blah, economy's bad, why is this going up? Again, fundamental doesn't mean crap, okay? So this one had a very, again, nice V-shaped recovery and holding above the EMAs, looking nice. Why do I want to short this one? When the market pulls back, those V-shaped recovery are going to get hit very, very hard. So again, July 2nd, we're looking at around 220 or 200 puts. This is where I'll be aiming for, the 200 days EMA. So looking at 220, this is the chance. This is another great short opportunity. But like I said, on the ES, we're still looking at the previous 3,100 here, because there's a gap right here. There's a gap somewhere on the, well, this on Weibo it shows a clear gap around the 3,100, somewhere here. So we'll be looking at the next resistance at 3,100. That's the time we should have a significant pullback. Why do I say that? I think second wave of the virus is going to hit, especially so many protesters in different cities. We are going to see people getting infected, numbers go higher. And with this uncertainty with China, there are too many factors out there in the world. We're going up because the Federal Reserve are pumping money, $1.5 trillion into the market in the past, like a month, and they're pumping more this coming 2 weeks. So I'll be on the lookout for that, and I'm telling you guys, this is a golden chance to short the market in the next 1 or 2 months. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video.